All right, what is going on today, explorers? Today I am taking you on a hike with me. We're gonna go up to Church's Pond. If you're familiar with the Lake Tahoe area, this is on the freeway going into Incline before you start heading up the mountain. So this, if you're in the Reno Tahoe area, or you're down in Reno, this is a pretty cool hike. It is pretty difficult. It's 6.3 miles total, and it's about a little over 2,100 feet of elevation gain. But it's cool because it is, according to All Trails, one of the more difficult ones. It's not very traveled. But anyway, so if you're interested in this hike, it's called Church's Pond. Check it out. I'll show you some of the views, and I brought my drone with me, and we'll get some footage at the top of the pond. But yeah, it's a pretty steep one. I'll show you some of the pretty sights along the way. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video and get out there and enjoy this hike. Church's Pond. That way. All right, so it was only moderately steep, actually, right there. But right here, this is when it gets real steep. Then we're gonna do a couple zigzags up the mountain, and then it kind of starts to level out. Maybe a little bit, maybe like a quarter mile or so after that. But yeah, temperature's starting to cool off a little bit. It's really nice. Nice summer day. We're only like 35 minutes into the hike, and I'm already eating. There's something about hikes, I can't, just like hungry the whole time. I feel like I have to snack. Today I have the Nature Valley oats and honey. Do you know about it? You should try it. It's very delicious. All right, for those of you who are interested in what the terrain's like, I just went up two pretty steep inclines, and then this is like the third incline, I believe, before you get to the zigzags, which those are all pretty steep as well. All right, that's the bottom portion of Mount Rose up there, and this is the zigzag. The trail comes over here, and we're gonna do that about 3 or 4 more times. But we're starting to gain some elevation. The good part about this is it's pretty much all in the shade after this. All right, check it out. Check out the aspen grove, how green it is. A couple of months, it'll be all yellow and orange. Sorry for the heavy breathing. I'm working hard. There it is, guys. First glimpse of the valley. That's Washoe Valley. This is the hard part right here. All right, so we're done with those zigzags. Now we just gotta walk along this ridge a little bit and up to where the pond is. You can see Washoe Lake there. I'm not sure what those are. I thought that was Washoe Lake, but obviously it's way over there. And over here you could see into Reno, down into that valley. So pretty cool. We're almost to the top. Let's keep going. All right, what is up? So I got the whole place to myself. There was a couple hikers when I got here, but They just finished their lunch and left. Right up there, I don't know if you could see it with that little patch of snow right there. That is the top of Mount Rose, which I've done that video before. Probably one of the best hikes around here, I would say, because you get some of the best views. It's not too hard. It's only I think a moderate, according to all trails. But I believe there's another trail that heads up over that way and continues to go up. And I think there's a way that you can get to Mount Rose from here. Obviously way longer than the normal route, but really cool place. This is what I come up here for. This is what I do this for. The beautiful views. Hard work for beautiful views. That's what the payoff is. That's where I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna start heading back down now. It shouldn't take me more than an hour to get back down. If you like hiking or adventure videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because that's what we do in this channel. If you like this video, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys out there next time. Peace. Love you. Bye.